Okay, well, I'm going for a drive. You wanna come with me?
Of course, I would.
Come.
For anyone.
Some of my friends are really love like pizza.
Pizzas, yeah.
Gurgaon. Lal Rang. Yes. You know, all these films I feel कि अब जाके उसकी एक audience बनी है. At the end of the day, the industry is called an industry.
Yes.
It's a धंधा है यार.
Yeah.
Business है.
Business,
When
yes.
you're not making money for the industry, you get written off very fast.
Yeah, it's not bad. You know, one hand to the other hand. And this. And then, you know.
Johnny Depp और Tom Cruise and Brad Pitt की skin color क्या करेगा? And then Kahuna Pyare release. My father picked me up. Everybody watched Kahuna Pyare. And I watched that film like this. You know, like, oh my god. मैं connect कर गया. मैंने कहा अच्छा, मैं ये कर सकता हूँ.
Hi, this is Siddharth Shukla from Filmy and welcome to yet another episode of Chasing Stars. Well, मैं आज किसको चेस करने वाला हूँ?
Hello.
Hey, what are you doing here?
What's up? I'm chasing you.
You're chasing me?
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm going for a drive. You wanna come with me?
Of course, I would.
Come.
It's a dream for anyone.
I would love to have you. Chal.
पहले मुझे ये पूछना है, हम जैसे डिस्कस करते हैं, I think I watched everything that you worked in.
So sweet.
So, and no, but that is good content. It's just that sometimes I feel कि वो, I don't know if you feel that also or not, कि वो पहले release हो गया when the audience was not ready. Do you feel that?
I like how you put it because शायद मैंने ऐसे कभी सोचा नहीं but सही बोल रहे हो because all these things यार even some of my films are really loved like pizza.
Pizzas there, yeah.
Yeah, Gurgaon.
Lal Rang.
Lal Rang.
Yes.
You know, all these films I feel कि अब जाके उसकी एक audience बनी है.
Yes.
You know like 5-6 साल बाद फिल्म रिलीज होने के बाद 3-4 साल बाद Netflix and OTT के कारण. But I mean they were really good films, you know.
They were.
Yeah, and I don't know, something about my destiny, the way the things fell and the way the things happened. You know, at least I survived. You know, I can't be all sad about it because somewhere the industry noticed, which is why I'm in a fighter.
I think it also happened because of the emergence of OTT.
100%. I was dead without that because at the end of the day, the industry is called an industry.
Yes.
It's a dhanda hai na,
Yeah.
business. Hai.
Business.
When you're not making money for the industry, you get written off very fast. But because OTT was kind of looking for good actors, the stars were not willing to be on OTT. And they had to make content to serve a different set of audience. People like me got a shot.
Wow. And I think you're right because I remember in one of your interviews, you were talking about how you got cast in Gurgaon.
Yeah.
I think the director or the producer, किसी ने आपका एक ad देखा था, which was Madhuri Dixit. That was the case, right?
Yeah, correct. Wow, man. Yeah, you're right. I did an ad called Boys Don't Cry.
Yes. Oh, that's a hard-hitting act.
Yeah, it's a hard-hitting ad. And at the end of that ad, it cuts to a close of my eyes and
I hated you there.
you did.
Yeah.
It has this like sad, almost crying look. But then when
Yeah.
you zoom out or when you go to a wide shot, you see that actually I'm twisting a girl's arm.
Exactly. इसी life में, how did you get that? How did you reach, get इसी life में with Rajshri?
Wow, what you are really a movie avid watcher and a buff because you're
I
clued
watch
in.
a lot of-
Yeah, you're clued in, which is great, man. It was a dream debut. It was like everything had happened that I ever wanted. You know, I grew up idle, like dreaming about being a Hindi film actor, living in New Jersey. You know,
वो ही बहुत ही I don't know, मुझे
हाँ,
आश्चर्य वाली बात है, but yeah.
जी हाँ, आश्चर्य वाली बात ही है बिकॉज बड़ी अजीब सी चीज है कि मैं वहां बैठकर ये सोच रहा हूँ. सी आई थिंक वहां पर मैंने रियलाइज कर लिया था कि बुरे लोगों के बीच मेरे लिए कोई जगह नहीं है. अब जाकर के साउथ एशियंस को थोड़ा ब्रेक मिल रहा है.
Right.
बट स्टिल कितना क्या टेररिस्ट का
Stereotype बहुत
स्टीरियोटाइप,
ज्यादा.
डॉक्टर का रोल
Yeah.
मिलेगा, you know, whatever. So engineer या कुछ तो कैब ड्राइवर का रोल मिलेगा. So I always knew I fit in more here. I felt very Indian. हिंदी हमारे घर में बात होती थी. So when I came, I didn't know anything. So I went to theater because I was a theater actor in the US also.
Okay.
And I started with Makaran Deshpande.
Yes.
And the whole dream was to be a film actor. You know, the
Okay.
theater was
वो हमेशा से था.
हमेशा से वही था
Okay.
कि मुझे फिल्मों में आना है. And I started auditioning, and
Okay.
very quickly, like I mean, 6 months into my journey, that film happened. Yeah,
Wow.
and it felt like, oh, I must be one of those destined lucky few.
But
But who knew?
I'm sure you were good also.
No, the reviews were my reviews. If you go back, there is not one bad review of me. The
That-
film tanked,
Yeah, I know.
but yeah, film tanked. Like tanked, and how? Like people now know it because they've gone back and stuff. Yeah.
Actually, people now know it because of you. Actually, you have played and you are one of the very, 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 and let me say it aloud, you're one of the very few actors जिन्होंने characters from the LGBTQIA plus community बहुत ही layered और बहुत अच्छे तरीके से play किया है. You have not stereotyped it.
Yeah.
Were you apprehensive before taking it? Your family, did you discuss or what?
No. If there was any apprehension, it was because I knew कि बहुत जिम्मेदारी के साथ मुझे निभाना
अच्छा,
पड़ेगा.
that-
Because it's a sect of society that's already marginalized.
Yes.
That is suppressed, जिनकी आवाज नहीं है ज्यादा. मतलब अब जाकर के थोड़ी चीजें अब बदल रही हैं, but because of films, because of this movement, and I've always had deep respect for anyone who's been marginalized.
You guys tell us कि अक्षय की कौन सी web series या film is one of your favorites. अच्छा ओके मुझे भी पूछना है डिड यू एवर थिंक ऑफ व्हेन यू वर इन द यूएस हमेशा से हिंदी पिक्चरों का ही एक्टर बनना था यू थॉट ऑफ अदर एवेन्यूज
नहीं, आई न्यू कि बचपन में मुझे एक्टर बनना है. एंड मेरे फादर एक फिल्म बफ रह चुके हैं, तो वो मुझे एक्टर्स की फिल्में दिखाया करते थे. ही वुड से कि गुरुदत्त साहब की फिल्में देखो, शम्मी कपूर साहब की फिल्में देखो, बच्चन साहब की फिल्में देखो. ही यूज्ड टू शो मी दीज मूवीज, एंड देन दिन भर एक्टिंग की बात होती थी. बिकॉज ही वाज समवेयर, नाउ आई रियलाइज कि ही बस एक्टिंग के शौकीन थे वो. नेवर फ्रॉम अ पर्सपेक्टिव ऑफ एक्टर बन ये वो. तो पहला कीड़ा उनसे पड़ा, मतलब वो काटा तब. एंड देन घर में सिर्फ हिंदी में बात करते थे हम. इट वाज लाइक एक्सक्लूसिव, हमारे घर में सिर्फ हिंदी में बात होती है. माय फादर वाज वेरी स्केर्ड कि हम लोग अंग्रेज ना बन जाए, एंड थैंक गॉड फॉर दैट. इट यूज्ड टू फील फ्रस्ट्रेटिंग कि अंग्रेजी में क्यों नहीं बात कर सकते हैं, बट आई एम सो ग्लैड. एंड देन अराउंड द एज ऑफ 14 or 15 I was like, चलो एक्टर बनना है. And I told my father, and he said, okay, ठीक है, but पढ़ाई कर, सीख इस चीज को, it's a craft. So I started learning. Yeah, it was very cool. It was very cool. And then I realized very quickly कि यार जॉनी डेप और टॉम क्रूज और ब्रैड पिट के बीच में ये स्किन कलर क्या करेगा. And then कहो ना प्यारे released. I was doing a rehearsal of a play called Bugsy Malone. I played this Italian mob boss. और शाम को my father picked me up and we went to watch कहो ना प्यारे. And I watched that film like this, like, oh my God, like, who is this person?
Rage.
He was a rage, and I got it like that, and उनकी आंखें मेरी आंखें similar थी शायद, तो मैं connect कर गया. मैंने कहा अच्छा मैं ये कर सकता हूँ. And India wasn't unfamiliar.
Yeah.
We used to come here every year for 3 months. And गर्मियों की छुट्टी में जहाँ पे बारिश पड़ती थी और हम आ जाते थे. For no reason, but because my dad loved Bombay and wanted us to know Bombay.
Yeah.
So it was not unfamiliar. So I remember, okay, 2000 picture आई और then ये college खत्म करके मैं इंडिया जा रहा हूँ. That was like a fixed thing.
We were saying कि कहो ना प्यारे देखिए and
Yeah.
life has come to a full circle.
Yeah, seriously.
Little did you know उस time पर how was it working with him? Like when you did you ऐसा कोई पहला था क्या Hrithik Roshan, because obviously you saw him there.
Yeah.
And of course you might have known of him,
Yeah.
but meeting him for the first
Yeah,
time,
yeah.
how was it for you?
Oh, crazy. Absolutely crazy. This film has made me realize that we manifest what we want in life.
Yeah.
We do. वो कितने मात्रा में वो चीज आती है वो पता नहीं है, but we manifest it, yeah, I believe in it too. I didn't up until this movie.
Oh.
Really, I'm not kidding. That's how naive I must be, that until this movie, I was like, that's just like hogwash, होगा किसी के दिमाग में, मेरे में तो नहीं है. मतलब how can we manifest anything? But we did, because sitting there in New Jersey, I dreamt about being a respected actor, and I dreamt about, meeting Hrithik and working with Hrithik. And how 20 plus years later, I get to do this.
Wow. Amazing. On that note, I think you were saying you have to go somewhere, right?
I do, unfortunately, but I can take you with me if you'd like to come.
I would love to
So I go for an evening walk at this hour, and I'd love for you guys to join me.
walk करना आ जाओ करा दूंगा.
walk करना आ जाओ, करा दूंगा.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Hey,
You said we were gonna go on walk. What is this?
you know, sometimes I'm such a basketball addict. Yeah, it's not bad. You know, one hand to the other hand, and this, and then you know.
Akshay, मुझे जानना है. You know, we all talk about nepotism. We
Yeah.
all talk about film families. Well, not closely, but I think you are also
Yeah.
not. I think we all know
Yeah.
you are also somewhere related to people who belong to the industry.
Yeah.
उसके बाद you struggled,
Yeah.
and it was never because I'm telling you why I'm saying this. अभी भी बहुत लोगों को नहीं पता है.
Yeah, नहीं
Connection.
पता है, correct, नहीं पता है.
They know
Yeah,
as a
I get what
personality.
you mean.
अलग से
उनसे
yeah,
अलग,
yeah, yeah. Was it a conscious decision? Did you ever reach out to anyone कि यार maybe if you know you could help me somewhere, or it was just your own journey that you wanted to create, which you did very well?
No, thanks for putting it the way you've put it. But you know, I don't. It's a mix of stuff. अगर मुझे help offer होती तो मैं ले भी लेता. My destiny wanted me to learn everything on my own, and my destiny wanted to have my own achievements.
Right.
And that's the route I went on. And मैंने कभी हार नहीं माना इसलिए, you know.
Yeah. On that note, it was
Thank
great
you.
meeting
Thank you so much. Please
was
chase me
always-
anytime. It was such
Yeah.
a nice. It was a pleasure to be chased by you guys today. Thanks. Come over anytime.
means a lot, and many more movies to you, much more success to you. Many
I hope so, man. I
congratulations
hope so. Thank you.
for all your achievement.
Thank you.
And here's to life.
Here's to life, man. Absolutely. Here's
See
to
ya.
life. Thanks
Bye.
again.
Bye.